August 23rd. These are some the opportunities I saw. So so far I've been chopping and then just watching the break of it and see what happened. Nothing really much going on. Sellers still pushing it lower. Right? Just nothing much going on. Some buy, some sell, back within the range on the top and then reject it. Okay. Some aggressive selling there. 28th sell. Shall I try to break it lower? Right there, that impulse. Instantly rebid these '06. That was the first setup. Probably like a long '06, '05, doesn't matter. Stop loss 10 point. Reason I didn't take this trade because of fucking news on 945 data. But yeah, that was the first trade, and I'm pretty sure it does give me it did come back, to be honest. Did drop back down, holding it. Oh my god, yep. Drop back down, holding it. 28 to buy at '06. Instantly bounce, rebid it. Yeah, gave it push down, impulse, push up, came back down, rebid it, found buying, again pushed up. That was a good long. Pretty easy, cool, like to long it. This is a recording, so don't mind it. It was like a live. I took a short here like a dumbass. But plan was if we break up a 56, hold above it, pretty much just gonna lean on the bull side. So far, I broke above it strongly, testing 56, 57. Some, okay, offer firming up, 56, 57. Nothing much going on. Buying coming in. Yeah, I took a short here like a dumbass. So far, we're still holding up on above it, the 56 level. Yeah, just don't worry about that short. It's fucking dumb as fuck. Okay, some sell. Just normal selling. Saw that kick down right there on 54, and then we rebid it a little bit, found buying, pushed up 57, holding again. Let's rewind it a little bit. Let's say coming back down. At least 55, not doing much. You see that nice tapering there, drop down, tapering. And then one more test of selling failed, buying came in. That was the clue to long it. But you could say like, oh, kind of chasing. This fucking crazy ass shit, right? Like crazy ass rally. Another impulse down, instantly bid up. See that impulse right there to 52s, instantly bounce up. Testing it again. Let's see what happened. Seller tried again, failed. We have news at data at 10 o'clock as well. Still failing. Instantly bounce up 56, back to rebidding. Seller just not gaining the traction of the downside, and then nice little rebid there. Buyers came in. Look at these buys. Yep, more buying coming in. I gotta stop out, yeah. And then let's just skip a little bit. We did come back down and retest it as well. Okay, watching 56. Normal rebidding. Nah, nothing crazy. Just normal buying and selling. So it was like a nice. Okay, so right now it's a nice clue of an impulse right here and rebid. Okay, strong seller selling it right now again. 56, 43 to sell. Sellers trying. Buyers matching it. Strong sell to the low. Instantly bounce up and rebidding again. See if you can rebid these. Or rebid higher, could long this. Not yet. Not yet. Probably long right there. Yep. Break of it. A little bit offer firming up. Offer firming up at 56 and then instantly pushed up. 57, probably long it. 57, 58. Doesn't matter. Stop loss right below this thing. And yeah, shit just fucking rallied. Even if you didn't get the 56 long, you could have long it right there again. Sellers try it, fail. Buyers came in. It's a fucking trending material, eh? Morning chop, no tick below opening range low. Impulse down, found buyer, pushed up, break the range strongly, came back out with it, push higher. So it's trending material. Could long anywhere here to be honest. This should just rallied. Yeah, this should just rally crazy. Yeah, me fighting the trend again, but this thing rallied like 200 point from here. Never came back and tested. Third opportunity for today is the overnight high. Seems like we held it once, and this is so. Let's see. We've been watching the overnight high. Okay, some selling instantly bounce up. Not longing it. Want to see rebid. Want to see these guys rebid. Bids pulled. Strong sell right here, and instantly bid back these 84, 85. So right now there's a clue. All right, there's someone buying here, and right now we're just chopping. Don't really want to long it yet. So far we've been ranging. As you can tell, ranging, break high, came back down, break another high, potentially came back down. And this time I was actually looking for a break it once, break it once, break it twice. I was actually waiting for this time to break and come back down to 83 to long it. Yeah, which it did, but hesitated like a bitch, didn't long it. Strong sell, breaking it. That sell instantly bid up. Another sell tried. Could long 90 right there. Or if you want, you can maybe wait for a rebid, but like you can wait for something like lower back to 87s. If it does give you, yep, right there. Yep, selling try 21, more selling. If you missed it, you could just long. I would have long right there. I see that selling. Just long right there, 90, anywhere long. This thing rallied even more. Like crazy. Yep. This is August 24, as you can see. Didn't trade today. May took like one or two scalp. Just like a really small scalp, but these opportunities I'm just gonna like combine to both days together. So been seeing some subs here at 21. So let's see what happened if we break above these 21 guy. Okay, some buying. Just normal buying. See much more buying coming in. Okay. Bunch of buys. Nice kick up right there. Want to see firm reoffer here though. Okay, bunch of buys. Again, fail to make new high. Imagine this much buying, but we won't be able to make more highs. Okay. 14 to buy at high. Another 8 to buy. I'm short right there. 9. Another print at high. Another reoffer there. 60. This is sim by the way, so yeah. Another 4 to buy at the high. Another impulse up. Still reoffering these 28. Yeah, I'm shorting this. Another buy, another 21 buy. That's a short. And another 73 to sell. 33 to buy. Nice. Back under these will be nice. 64. Yeah, we will come back and retest this, by the way. And so the new high is what? 31, right? Let's just watch the 31 as well. So, right, let the setup form for you. Sellers, push above, reoffer. The main clue for this trade was probably like the 30s. Kick it once, kick it twice, 3 times, and then seller came in. Stop loss is still 10 points, so just like somewhere around here is a stop. Okay, seems like we're coming back up. Let's say we didn't enter the trade, right? Broke above it, fail. All that buying, we're not going anywhere yet. Could have took it there. I don't know why is this here, but let's just 52 to buy. Still pushing high though. Need offer firm up, right? Another new high. Bunch of buying, another new high. Failing. So we're failing. I'm short right there. Another new high broke, right? More buyers came in on that new high. Right, more buyers came in on that new high, came back down, reoffered here, the 31s again, 30, 31. Took a short right there. Want new low. Need to get back under these 21 and find selling. There we go. Right. Trend so far is down. Been selling off all day. Gap up, failed to hold. Even broke the overnight low and then the previous day high. Gap filled. Find acceptance inside. Skip 10, right? For a scale, yeah, let's say 99 is for a scale. We've just been doing nothing. Nothing we're doing. It's normal. Missed my scale by a couple of ticks. I would have been pissed, I guess. Coming back up. Oh, as long as we don't get above 21, we're good. So far, failing 21. If we fail 21, we're gonna see new low. There we go. That's the new low. But yeah, that is probably the trade I would take. That's clean sellers, sellers, sellers. Right, this thing just keep dumping. Seller broke above it. Strong buying. 31, no continuation higher, and then 30 keep impulsing higher and reoffer. Let's say you didn't take this trade, you weren't confident. Push down. We broke it again. Broke it twice on that 31 new high. Instantly got reoffered down, and then broke another high by like 2 tick. Is it 2 tick? Yeah, by 2 tick. Trap more buyers there. Instantly push down. Reoffer those 30. That was a short, stress-free trade. I mean, it's hindsight, but be a stress-free trade. Would have liked that for sure. But yeah. Another setup here was I think I saw Booch took this trade in the Discord. So I was watching not really watching much, but just see if we can see something. Okay, nice push up. 97 to 57. See nothing yet. Bunch of buys. Okay, nice impulse. Nice impulse to 62. See reoffer. Okay. Short there. See offer firming up though. Bunch of buys again, pushed up. Okay. It's 14 to buy. No continuation. Just gonna take a short right there. Take a stab. 10-point stop loss. Just not that bad. I'm going with the trend right now as well, so it's not that bad. Definitely offer firming up here, 60. You could take a short right there. That could be a nice short. That's the last few from the buyers. instantly push lower from here. But yeah. I feel like one of the thing I'm doing wrong recently, like is I don't wait for my setup to come to me. Like I don't wait for any. I like to wait for something to happen on the dom for me to take a trade. That's one thing. And when something does happen, I just take it straight away. I just take it right away. I'm being serious. I just take it right. I just saw that impulse. I take it right away. But like for my personality, like how I trade, I like to wait for a like insurance, like a safety net, like a safety. Like I want to wait for okay, we impulse, we drop down a little bit, we come back up. We don't necessarily have to like test the impulse, but I want to wait for at least like a little bit push up. Buyers try again and fail, offer firming up, reoffering, and then I take a short. So I guess I want to try something new next week. Not try something new next week, but try to like go back how I execute like back then. So let's say wait for something to happen on the DOM. Okay, you like the setup. Let's say for instance, like this example, impulse high, drop down, and then don't take don't take the entry right away on that impulse. So it's either we impulse, want to see offer firming up here to take a short to reoffer, or you wait for a seller to push it down a little bit, come back up to retest it. We don't have to retest the impulse like these four tick, but we can come close to it. I want to see buyers try and fail again, offer firming up, reoffering, and then I take a short. But yeah. Another setup right here was so far it's trending down, right? And I was watching the IB high, IB low, basically. Maybe possibly find reoffer there, like find sellers. So far we haven't tested yet. IB is 71.75, coming close to it. Bunch of buys. Not much going on. See some buying and selling here. Waiting patiently for that IB higher 71.75 right here. Oh, that's an impulse. I could have taken a short right there if I wanted to, right? That impulse instantly drop. Short right there. Let's say like for my last example, I was like I want to wait for the safety net, which is to come back at least close to its reoffer. Let's say I do wait for that. Uh, we did come back at the end, but for me, I think I would have just taken a short right there around like 69.70. Okay, some buying coming in again. Not doing much. Just buying. Imagine I'm just short like 69 right now or 70. That's a nice short. Like we blip up, instantly reoffer the 69. It feels like we just never like went up there. You know, let's say we're trading 70, you look away for 3 seconds, and then we're still like we're still trading 70. Like that's a nice blip up and reoffer instantly. Okay. Seems like we're coming back up. Watching for a short. So far failing, but don't really see a reoffer yet. Okay, some buying coming in. Okay, more buying coming in. See if we fail here. I'm short right there, 67. I saw that fail with 70. I'm gonna take a short, 10-point stop loss. Still bidding. Problem is like buyers are buying higher though. Trying to look, buyers are still bidding higher. 70. Okay. See what happened. Test it. Test it by one tick. The 72 half and 72 3/4 didn't really show much. So buyers try to test the impulse for more continuation to the upside and fail. So if you see that buying, we should be going up, right? So we're testing the impulse, buyers testing the impulse, and just couldn't break higher, just couldn't push higher, failing. Another 19 to print at the high again. 1 to print, 4 to print, just no continuation at all. Another 1 to print at the high, sellers coming in. Take another short right there if possible. Guess I missed it. It's fine. Could have taken. Even if you miss like here, 65 short is still cool. This shit went all the way back down. This thing went almost like 70 points. But yeah, that was the trade.